Welcome to our video on the 10-point theory on weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging but rewarding journey. Here are 10 crucial points to consider. 1. Balanced diet. Incorporate a variety of foods to ensure you get all necessary nutrients. 2. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to support metabolism and help control hunger. 3. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activity that you enjoy to burn calories. 4. Sleep. Ensure you get adequate rest to allow your body to recover and function properly. 5. Stress management. Practice techniques to reduce stress, which can contribute to weight gain. 6. Portion control. Be mindful of serving sizes to avoid overeating. 7. Avoid processed foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods for better health. 8. Consistency. Stay committed to your weight loss plan for long-term success. 9. Professional advice. Consult with healthcare providers for personalized guidance. 10. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge every achievement, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to weight loss strategies. It's essential to create a plan that works for you and to adjust as needed. Good luck on your weight loss journey.